Hello everyone. So let's continue our tutorial. So today I'm going to share how to set up the pose and then how to export the baking animation to the CLO3D. So if you for example, you can control the Metahuman control rig. Okay, so last time we set up the frame to 0. Then from now you can make many different poses if you want. So for example, right now this is a pose. Okay, so if you want to change some more better pose, a pose, you can change some rotate like a 20 degree, and also you can move this one to 20, for example, like this. Then after that, you can move on to Metahuman control rig, and then you add a new key. Okay, that means you can make a nice A pose. So as I mentioned, you can create many different poses from the unrealengine. Okay, then you can create a new key and then go to body and then go to bake animation sequence, and then here go to animation. You can create a new folder, you can make the pose. Inside the pose you can change the name, Metahuman Flow A pose, and then export to animation. Then you can make maybe different pose. For example, okay, then go to top, Metahuman, and then add a key. Then go to body, right click, and then bake animation sequence. And then if you go to animation, you can find out the pose. Then you can type Metahuman Flow stand pose, and then OK, and export the animation. Okay, so if you go to content browser, if you go to animation, and then you can see the pose. So you can see the A pose and standard pose in here. Okay, so as I mentioned, you can create many different poses if you need. By some change the rigging, then you can make many different poses. So in CLO3D, you can register many different poses, so you can change your avatar pose for simulation. Okay, so after create all pose, you need to make sure to save all. So if you click this one, you can see the A pose. Okay, so you can check it's right or not. So I think everything is okay. So like the inner part is texture, is not geometry, it's normal map and texture, so you don't need to worry about it. Okay, close. So people export everything. Also you need to bake the sequence, the actual animation. So you need to create another new level, so you can make the image Metahuman to CLO3D animation. So after that, you can drag the Metahuman into the Realtime slot. Okay, like this. But before that, you need to assign the animation. This is not animation, right? So because this is not working animation, this is for the stand pose. So I think first you need to select and select the Metahuman control rig. Then you can select the body and then click the plus here and go to animation. You can check the catwalk walk forward. Okay, so now we can see this character for actual the animation. So if you play, you can see. So I think frame, set up the frame and key up the play. So you can play only this frame, and then you can click the looping, then you can play. And then so you need to bake out this animation. So stop, go to 0 frame, and then this is the same. You can go body and then bake animation sequence. So you need to create another folder. So I already create a folder, but you can create a new folder, and then new folder, animation. So in animation you can change the name, Metahuman Creator 3D animation. Then OK, and it's go to animation. Just close the sequence, and then if you go to image, then you can check the animation. Okay, this one. Okay, so let's export the Metahuman mesh first. So click the body, and then select the browser, click general, and go to click the browser here. Then you can see the Metahuman body. Okay, then you can select right click, and then you can asset creation and export. So for me, I just create another folder. So for example, it's not Mixamo, so you can create a little bit your actual the working folder, not Metahuman not Mixamo export. So I create a Metahuman here, then I just create another folder name from UE5. Then save. Before save, you need to make sure don't click the level of detail. Okay, then export. So also you can go to the face, and then also you can go to folder, then you can select the mesh head. Okay, right click, and also same, you can asset action and export, then the face mesh. The same, don't check the level of detail and export. And then now you also export the fit. So this fit, and also go to folder, then you can select right click, set action and export, and then choose same. Then you can go to the animation. Okay, so we need to export this animation data. So this one same, right click, asset action and export. So now you can make another name, animation, and then image cloud animation and export. It's the same and export. So now it's the same way for other pose. So you can go to the pose, okay, the A pose and stand pose. Right click A pose, or selection, export. Then you need to set up, make another folder like a pose. So this is a pose, okay, export, same, export. And then also stand pose, a selection and export and stand, export. Yeah, so everything is ready. So now before CLO3D, we needed to add more step in Blender. So because this asset, it needed to clean up more in Blender 3D. After cleanup, we needed to make a more better. Then you can export to the FX or OBJ to CLO3D. Okay, let's jump to Blender. Okay, so it's Blender. So I think you can select everything. Okay, then you can import the metahuman like a body and face. So here, okay. So go to file and import the FX. Go to folder. So you can import the body. Import. Okay. And then import the shoes. File, import the head. Okay, so because we needed to merge everything together and then clean up. Okay, so you can turn off the bones, hide, so you can hear. So each one you can expand. So select the root first, and then Alt P and clear parent. Okay, and also select this one and Control P and clear parent, and then also root body, Control P, Control P and clear parent. Okay, because this is a little bit you can zoom in out, you can see all the mesh. So keep the root, select this 3, and then keyboard X and select. So now we have each one. Now we need to make some clean up the naming. So this one you need to change the face. And then this one is the same. And then this one is shoes. And then this one is the same. And this one, okay, this one is body. And then this one is body. And then go to shoes. Alt P and clear parent. The root to shoes you can select. Then you can select the face, root to face, Then you can select the edit mode, and then you can expand the face, and then you can select the neck, and then same thing, Alt P and clear parent, and then select from here to end except the neck, and then keyboard X, and then points from here to here, same X points from here to here, then X points, then go to object mode, face first and body, and Ctrl J. So now the root body is parent, and then go to the body, bone, then go to edit mode again, and then select the facial, and go to bone, and then go to deletion, and then select this one to neck 01, and then again go to neck 2, select the facial neck root, and neck 002, and then go to head, the facial, then you can select head, select the 001 to head, and then X and bone, then you can go to object mode, you can select the bone again, and then root body, keyboard shift and select, and Ctrl P, and with the empty group, and then go to the body and select modify the face mesh, select the object here, the body. So which means if you go to select and pose mode, so for example so everything is connected, leg is connected, so you can check it's connected or not. Okay, so everything is okay. And then go to object mode again and turn off the bone and select the face, go to edit mode, and then keyboard L. So for example, just mouse over here, hang over, and then keyboard L. So you can select, then H, keyboard H, the height. Okay, then select everything. So in here you can select toward X-ray, and then select, so shift, select everything, and then keyboard X, and then go to the face, it's gone, then Alt H, so now it's very clean, so you can hide all the inner part. and then go to object mode. Okay, so you can save as, so go to, you can make the folder, name is blender. Then in here you can save name, image, Metahuman combined. Okay, then you can save another one. Save as image animation. Okay, so I needed to import the pose and animation here. But before that, you need to check the frame rate in 30 fps, and then start frame from the zero. So if we go to Unreal Engine, you can see that the frame is from 0 to 53. So you need to change here 53. Okay, then you can import maybe a pose first. So go to File, then import FBX. Then if you go to the pose, you can select the A pose, and then if you go to the animation, you can change to 1 to 0 frame. Okay, then import FBX. So in here it's very tiny because this is the original size. So once you import, if you go to the animation, and then you can see the root on your name. So you need to change this name to image CLO3D A pose. Then you can select this one, the original one, the merged one. Okay, and you can select the root and then Ctrl L, and then you can select the link animation data. You can select the root and then keyboard X and select, because everything is in here. So in here you can see actual size scale from beginning. It's almost done. Okay, so you have the A pose here, and then everything is cleaned up, and then this A pose. So you can use this A pose for the your base pose for the CLO3D. Now it's time to import animation, the file. So here, then you can go to File, import FX, then up, animation, FX, 0. Okay, then import animation. Also, you need to change this name, image CLO3D animation. This is the same way. Select the root body, and then root, select, and Ctrl L, and then same way link animation data. Okay, so same thing, select the animation root and delete. So if you select the root body, you can see the animation. So like this, 253. Then you can select and drop sheet, and then in drop sheet you can click the action editor. So in Premiere you can select, you can see the two pose, the A pose and animation. So click the A pose, then if you go click the 3 dimension, okay, then it's time to export. So there is a many way. So first, if you select the main body, and then if you go to animation, okay, so here this pose, also you can see pose in here. Okay, I don't know if some reason is the scale, I mean the font is a little bit different, but this is the right approach. So from now you can export the animation file. I'm going to use the embellish everything. Okay, so let's go to pose, then select everything, okay, and then go to file, export, Alembic, and then you can go to the folder here, then you can create another folder. So from Blender. Okay, so this is a pose. So you can select name, image, CLO3D, a pose. Pose A. And then you can change the name. This is not just one frame, so you don't need the 53, so you can put in here 1, and then only select the object here, and then you don't need to export hair and particle, and export. Okay, now you can go to animation. Okay, then select everything together, and then go to file, export, Alembic same. Then you can change animation, and then check the 0 to 53 and select the object, and then export Alembic. Okay, the one more step, we need to export this the 0 frame. Okay, select everything, file, export Alembic, and then change the name, animation, so frame 0, and then select 1, okay, and select the object, then export Alembic. Okay, so everything is done. So you can import each of the pose in the Marvelous Designer or CLO3D. Then you can create the nice garment and simulation. After simulation, you can export the garment with the Alembic into the Unreal Engine. Okay, so Maybe next time I will make another tutorial. It's more easy with a more better explanation. Okay, but this is what I'm doing the process between Unreal Engine and CLO3D and also Mixamo. But in the future, like as I mentioned, Unreal Engine is very powerful for real-time rendering. So you can connect the more live, the motion capture for the body or facial. Then you can control the more avatar with the better creative. Okay, so see you next time. Thank you.